Welcome. Today, we'll be hearing from Dr. Chandrasekhar Gaudar, the medical superintendent. He brings valuable insight and leadership to the discussion ahead. Let's dive in and explore the important topics he'll be guiding us through. Let me introduce Dr. Prasanakumar Patil. He holds an MD in Ayurveda and specializes in Kaya Chikitsa, the department focused on internal medicine within this traditional system. This slide sets the stage by highlighting his expertise and the specific field he represents, giving us a clear sense of the perspective and knowledge he brings to the topic. Let's take a moment to recognize Dr. Sindagi KB, whose expertise guides much of what we're exploring today. With qualifications in Ayurveda and a PhD, he brings deep knowledge to the Department of Kaya Chikitsa, the branch focused on internal medicine. His work shapes the foundation of this presentation, connecting traditional wisdom with modern insights. Let's take a moment to recognize Dr. Kavita CM, a dedicated expert in the field. She holds both an MD in Ayurveda and a PhD, bringing deep knowledge and research experience to her work. Dr. Kavita is part of the Department of Kaya Chikitsa, which focuses on clinical medicine within Ayurveda. Her role here is central, guiding us through the practical and scientific aspects of this ancient healing tradition. Let me introduce Dr. Shantaveereshwar Gaudar. He holds both an MD in Ayurveda and a PhD, bringing deep expertise to his field. He's part of the Department of Panchakarma, which focuses on traditional detoxification and rejuvenation therapies. This slide sets the stage by highlighting the expert behind today's insights, grounding our discussion in real-world knowledge and experience. Let's meet Dr. Rahina B. She holds an MD in Ayurveda and specializes in Panchakarma, a key branch of traditional medicine focusing on detoxification and rejuvenation. This department plays a vital role in holistic healing, combining ancient wisdom with modern care. Dr. Rahina's expertise guides the work we'll explore today, setting the stage for a deeper understanding of these transformative therapies. Let's take a moment to recognize Dr. Madhu B. Hanumagoudra. With a medical degree in Ayurveda, Dr. Hanumagoudra brings deep expertise to the Department of Panchakarma. This department focuses on traditional detoxification and rejuvenation therapies. Having a specialist like Dr. Hanumagoudra leading the way ensures that ancient wisdom is applied with care and precision. It's a vital part of our journey today. Let me introduce Dr. Shivanand Kembhavi. He holds both a Master of Surgery in Ayurveda and a PhD. He's part of the Department of Shalya Tantra, which focuses on surgical techniques within Ayurveda. This slide highlights his expertise, setting the stage for the insights he brings to our discussion. Let's take a moment to recognize Dr. Satish Anajari, who holds a Master of Surgery in Ayurveda. He's part of the Department of Shalya Tantra, which focuses on surgical techniques within traditional medicine. This slide introduces a key expert connected to our topic, grounding the discussion in both clinical knowledge and ancient practice. Let's take a moment to recognize Dr. Shilpa Karati. She holds a Master of Science in Ayurveda, specializing in Shalya Tantra, the surgical branch of this ancient medical system. Her expertise brings valuable insight to our discussion, grounding traditional knowledge in practical application. As we move forward, keep in mind the depth of experience behind the perspectives we're exploring today. Now, let's meet Dr. Tejaswini, as she holds a Master of Science in Ayurveda, a field deeply rooted in traditional medicine. Dr. Tejaswini is part of the Department of Prasuti Tantra Evam Stri Roga. That's the branch focusing on obstetrics and gynecology within Ayurveda. Her expertise brings valuable insights into women's health, combining ancient wisdom with modern understanding. We're glad to have her guiding us through today's topic. Let's take a moment to recognize Dr. Deepa M. Nelagaded. She holds a Master of Science in Ayurveda, which speaks to her deep expertise. She's part of the Department of Prasuti Tantra Evam Stri Roga. That's the branch focused on obstetrics and gynecology in traditional medicine. Her work bridges ancient knowledge with modern care for women's health. Now, let's meet Dr. Jayalaxmi Angadi. She holds a Master of Surgery in Ayurveda and specializes in the department of Prasuti Tantra Evam Stri Roga. This area focuses on obstetrics and gynecology within Ayurvedic medicine, blending traditional knowledge with modern care for women's health. Dr. Angadi's expertise guides much of the work we'll explore today. Let me introduce Dr. Bibiamina Yalapur. She holds a Master of Science in Ayurveda and specializes in Shalakya Tantra, which focuses on treatments related to the head and neck region. Her expertise brings valuable insight to our discussion, especially in understanding traditional approaches alongside modern techniques. Having her perspective enriches the depth of this presentation and connects us to a broader medical tradition. Let's take a moment to recognize Dr. Shrikanta Tippananavar. He holds a Master of Science in Ayurveda and specializes in Shalakya Tantra, which focuses on diseases related to the head and neck region. His expertise brings valuable insight to our discussion, grounding it in a deep understanding of traditional medicine and its modern applications. We'll be drawing on his knowledge as we move forward. Here, we see the name of Dr. Sharanabasappa S. Angadi, a medical doctor specializing in Ayurveda. The slide also highlights his department, Vishachikitsa Vibhag, which focuses on Agata Tantra, the branch of medicine dealing with poisons and their treatment. This introduction sets the stage for the expertise behind the insights we'll explore next. Let's take a moment to acknowledge Dr. Geetha Sakar. She holds an MD in Ayurveda and specializes in Vishachikitsa, which is part of Agata Tantra, the branch of medicine focused on toxicology and poisons. Her expertise brings a crucial perspective to our discussion, especially when it comes to understanding the role of traditional knowledge in managing toxins and treatments. Here, we're introduced to Dr. Shivkumar Mulamath, a medical doctor specializing in Ayurveda. He's part of the department of Ayurveda, which focuses on child health and pediatrics within this traditional system of medicine. This slide highlights the expertise behind the work we're discussing, grounding our conversation in both clinical knowledge and Ayurvedic principles. Here, we introduce Dr. Irfanamd Shayabal, a medical doctor specializing in Ayurveda. He's part of the department of Ayurveda, which focuses on child and adolescent health within this traditional system. This slide sets the stage for the expertise behind the work we're discussing, grounding our conversation in a specific field and perspective. Let me introduce Dr. Guheshwar B. Patil. He holds both an MD in Ayurveda and a PhD, bringing a deep blend of traditional knowledge and research expertise. He's part of the department of Swasthavrita, which focuses on holistic health and preventive medicine. His work bridges ancient wisdom with modern science, a vital perspective in today's health landscape. Here, we see Dr. Kalanagaud Ajapagoudra, a medical doctor specializing in Ayurveda. He's part of the department of Swasthavrita, which focuses on the principles of health and lifestyle in traditional medicine. This slide introduces a key expert whose insights will guide us through the next part of our discussion. Let's take a moment to recognize Dr. Srikantha Mujukananavara. He holds an MD in Ayurveda and brings his expertise from the department of Rasashastra and Bhaishajya Kalpana. This department focuses on the preparation and formulation of traditional medicines, blending ancient wisdom with modern practice. Dr. Mujukananavara's role is central to advancing this important field. Here, we see Dr. Vinyak S. Patil, a specialist holding dual degrees in Ayurveda medicine. He represents the department of Dravyaguna, which focuses on the study of medicinal substances in traditional Ayurvedic practice. This slide highlights the expertise behind the research or initiative we're exploring, grounding it in a strong foundation of knowledge and experience. Now, let's take a moment to recognize Dr. Dayananda Sudakoti. He holds both an MD in Ayurveda and a PhD, bringing deep expertise to his work. Dr. Sudakoti is part of the department of Dravyaguna, which focuses on the study of medicinal substances. His role here is crucial, as he bridges traditional knowledge with modern research, helping us understand the healing potential of natural remedies. Now, we're highlighting Dr. Prakash Murati, a dedicated expert in the field. He holds an MD in Ayurveda and works within the department of Kriya Sharira. This department focuses on the functional aspects of the human body, blending traditional knowledge with modern understanding. Dr. Murati's role here is central to advancing research and education in this vital area. Now we turn to Dr. Shatabanu Lalanavar, an expert in Ayurveda. She brings deep knowledge from the Department of Ayurveda Samhita, focusing on Siddhanta, the basic principles that form the foundation of this ancient healing system. Understanding these core ideas helps us appreciate how Ayurveda approaches health and balance, guiding everything from diagnosis to treatment. It's a crucial piece of the puzzle in our exploration today. That brings us to the end of our presentation. I want to thank Dr. Priyanka Hiremath from the Department of Sharira Rachana for her valuable contributions. We appreciate your time and attention and look forward to continuing this important conversation together. This video was created with SlideSpeak. Visit SlideSpeak to turn your presentations into engaging AI-narrated videos.